Look at this beautiful case. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have this case from Nomad for the iPad Pro 12.9 2020, 2021, and 2018. You can pick this up on their website. Link will be in the description below. $120. Yes, I know that's a little bit steep, but this case, it's absolutely amazing, and it's 100% horn leather, so you are getting a nice quality case for your iPad Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside. How do we unbox this? Here we go. Bam. And it's a magnetic. Look at that. Boom. Oh my god, look at this bad boy. Very thin. I wish you guys can smell this. It absolutely smells amazing and feels amazing. Look at this. Not thick at all. This is absolutely amazing. That's all we get in here. Boom. Look at that. Let's take a look at the case. Oh, look, an iPad. This is the 2021 model. All right, so obviously this case was not meant for the 2021 model, but does it work? Yeah, it absolutely works. It's very snug in here. I don't know, because of the case it's leather and it just needs to work around, but it absolutely works. I have a tempered glass screen protector installed also, and it works with the tempered glass screen protector. But look at this bad boy. It absolutely looks and feels amazing. I don't know if you can even focus. Come on, bro. Let's get that in focus. The camera cutout, nice and precise. There's plenty of protection there. If you go ahead, if you want to lay your iPad on a flat surface, you are most definitely protected. And you do have lip protection all around the case here, so you are protected if you lay your iPad on its face on a flat surface. That ain't going nowhere. This thing does not add too much bulk to your iPad whatsoever. It's nice and thin. And your pencil, obviously you just place it right there on the side, and your pencil is there, good to go for you. Again, this one is not meant for the 2021 model, because the 2021 model is a little bit bigger. But does it work? Yes, it absolutely works. It takes a little bit of elbow grease and to get it in there, and it absolutely fits perfectly. $120. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick this bad boy up for your new iPad. Whether you purchase the 2020, 2018, or the 2021, it absolutely works for your iPad. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.